My name is Eric, and I had my full dental implant 6 months ago. As of now, I'm very satisfied with it. Everything feels all natural. I can taste all the food that I ate, and it's good. It's a good decision to have a new smile right now. Yeah. It takes a week. The first is they did the procedure for the upper, and the next day is the lower part, and then it will take 3 to 4 days to have my natural smile. It's a day and night. Before I used to wear full dentures that it moves around, but now everything is all intact. It's just like a natural teeth. More pictures, more smile, happy. Yeah, I'm always smiling right now. I want to show the beautiful teeth that I have that Dr. Gupta and Jane, right, did to my smile right now. It changed my life. It changed my life.
Your family likes it?
Oh, they love it. I've been recommending this to all my friends.